Hi, my name's Mike Saunders. I'm the CEO and founder of Reflow. We're really stoked to have been included in this year's Times Best Place to Work in the UK. For us, culture and well-being have always been at the very foundation of what we do as an organisation. We feel that it's critical that everybody has a place, everybody feels listened to, everybody's looked after, because 90% or more of our success, we feel, and especially the more that we grow, we see it all the time, comes from everybody within the team. If they are looked after and if everybody is looking after each other and we all feel like we're building this thing together, we're just going to achieve great things. That's just my opinion. Let's see what the team have to say about it.
The work environment in Reflow is really happy and friendly. I've never been in a more positive and open place, to be honest.
When I first came into contact with Reflow, I thought that the team was really inviting, the atmosphere was really relaxed at the office.
I think we are all working towards kind of the same goal, and I think that's partly because, you know, we're all a really nice bunch of people and we want everybody to sort of succeed, whether that be internally within the business or externally with our clients as well.
At its core, it's the people at Reflow, which is head and shoulders above everything else. You know, it's a great atmosphere, lots of lovely, friendly people. Really helps in getting you out of bed in the morning.